Okay, guys, so now let's do actually the code that we needed to do, okay? Remember we were asked to do a little matrix, well, not a matrix, like print a set of numbers in a given order. Let me just write it down. It's gonna look like, oh, there it is. Well, it's to look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That 4 is just too ugly. There you go. Okay, guys, so it needs to look like this. Okay, so we decided we needed a counter, and let's say that we're gonna start our counter in here. I'm gonna start at 0, right? And I think that's pretty much everything we need. Okay, so we need to do this until our counter, well, while our counter is smaller or equal than 20. Why is that? Because it starts on 1 and then it goes to 20. Okay, so let's do our stuff. So let's increment our counter plus equal 1. And then I'm going to define a text chain here. It's going to be empty. And I'm going to say text plus equal. Remember, I'm concatenating here. Concatenation going on here. Whatever we had plus the string of the counter that we had, right? So pretty much that. And we knew that, let me write this down, a different color, maybe some green. We knew that all this column had in common that they were multiples of 5, right? So this should be like if counter modulus of 5 equals 0, I'm gonna print our text, and then we're gonna reset it. Okay, why? Because we needed to start like from scratch all around here. So I'm gonna write it there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna write an else because it's a good thing to do. Else, remember this else is part of the while loop. Remember it. It's not part of the if. Remember that. Else, everything nice. I'm gonna write up happy face, whatever. There you go. So let's see how it goes. Oh, there you go. Okay, there's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But it looks way ugly, right? It looks really, really ugly. I don't like it. So I'm gonna add some stuff. I'm gonna make it look good. I'm gonna concatenate something else. And I'm gonna concatenate this. Okay, this little thing is to add a tab, okay, to add some space. So let me write it down here. With our color orange. I like orange. Like add some nice space. And I think that's it, right? Let me run it once again. Oh, now it looks beautiful. Even our happy face looks happier now. So that would be all for this exercise, guys.